Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have wifey in the kitchen with me doing green seasoning. Remember I always tell you that we're gonna do some green seasoning? Today is the day, baby. We are about to do green seasoning and wifey gonna give you a countdown of what we're cooking. You ready, wifey?
Yep,
Let's go.
So today we have some ginger, we have garlic, we have parsley, we have shadow benny, we have pimentos, we have chives, we have cilantro, and we have thyme. Also, we're going to be using some red wine vinegar, 1 cup. Ready?
Yes, we are ready. So we're gonna go straight to the asterizer, which is the blender. We have our blender over here, and we have our. We're gonna add first our vinegar, our red vinegar, red wine vinegar. You see, she know the thing.
We're gonna put
our garlic.
Garlic in. Then we have to put our peppers in.
We're gonna put our pimento pepper. This pepper is so good.
And then we are going to put our ginger. So we're gonna cut it up.
Yes, just to give it a little bit of tart, you know? This will be easier. Down to the finishing touch. She mixing everything together. So the shadow benny, the ginger, the garlic, the parsley, the cilantro, and the vinegar. Everything is mixing together. And when all this is set, I'm telling you, it's gonna be. It's the best thing you can put on your meat. Anything that you cook. And you have your green season. This is the healthy way to go. Green season, and you have your pimento pepper, which wife never cook without her pimento pepper. Never cook. You know, this is the way to go. We're about to put these in some container and put this to preserve. Start using it as soon as possible, but as it goes along, it's gonna get even better. You know, when you start to age. Nice. So I promise you guys that we was about to do some green seasoning, and here you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe,